Jaylani, find your shirt.
I also need a white one. I think this is like tiny. Is it?
Yep.
This my size?
We're back from the store and these are the things we got. So I got a one-step tie-dye kit and Jaylani got a mermaid tie-dye kit. And we got our shirts.
Yep.
So let's get started. I want mine like a circle shape, so I'm gonna pinch it right here and just twist it into a swirl.
So Jamie's gonna go first. I'm gonna go.
Kit, and it comes with 5 colors. So let's open it up.
And it comes with all the stuff inside, right? Like
Yeah,
everything
the
you
gloves, the rubber bands, the powders.
need. So you need rubber bands to tie this because Juvie wants the circle one.
Yep, and here are the rubber bands.
Tu quieres el que es circle, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And it comes with the gloves, so you won't need to buy gloves.
Yeah.
And these little bottles, guys, it comes with the dye inside, so you have to add water.
Yeah. And look at, there's more. So if you want to make more shirts, then
Yeah, like if you want to make some later, it'll come with like more dye and stuff to make them later.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna start making mine, and I got a mermaid one.
She has a mermaid one, guys, and she's gonna go ahead and open that, and it comes with 3 bottles. And what colors does it come with, Jaylani? You want to show them?
Yeah, so it comes with this, my favorite color, purple. It comes
Blue,
with a blue.
and like a teal color because it's gonna be a mermaid shirt. And now, do you want the like which one do you want, Jaylani? What kind of design? Does it matter to you?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do whatever one.
Okay.
It's really simple. I'm pouring the water in. I already got yellow done. It's over there. And
Yeah, she has her yellow done. You have 2 more to go. Actually, 3 more to go.
Oh, it comes with
So Jaylani's came with 3 bottles,
Yeah.
rubber bands, and some gloves.
So guys, we have our shirts all tied up. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start adding our colors. So this is mine.
And this is mine, because me and you are gonna do it.
Yeah, you're gonna do a mermaid, and Juvie's gonna do like a lot of colors.
Yeah, a lot of colors. I think I'm gonna start with yellow.
I think I'm gonna start with purple.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go next. That is so pretty. I know me. That is so
Ooh, that color's so pretty.
It is pretty.
Now I'm gonna go so pretty.
Ooh, there we go.
You have to do the back
Okay, I'm doing my second color, blue.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, you're fast.
Ooh, I like this blue a lot.
Let me see. Oh, that blue is so pretty. This is so fun. I like
What color are you gonna do next?
this dark blue, and then I'm gonna do the light blue. That's
a
like
pretty
yours,
one.
Juvie.
I'm gonna do my green one now. Ooh, I can't wait to see how.
Well, this is so. I can't wait to put them on. I got pink.
This is my last color.
Really? And guys, I'm also gonna do all on this stuff because I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do all of
All the colors? So you're gonna do all 3 colors right here.
Yeah, where's my? Alright, guys. Now I'm starting for all of the colors on the next one. So first, this time I'm gonna do the blue. Alright, let's start. First, right here. I'm gonna do 2 more. I think that's enough. But like, I'm still gonna add it, but like, I'm gonna do like the nail stuff. Now I'm gonna add my purple. I got it.
No wonder they tell you to wear gloves. It gets really messy.
Oh no, my God.
But you guys will see the results tomorrow because it takes 8 hours to dry. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been 8 hours now, so our tie-dye shirts are done and they are dry now and they're not as wet as they were before. So now it's time to take the rubber bands off. Now we're gonna take the rubber bands off and reveal our shirts. So let's get started. I'm really excited how these turn out, guys. Oh my, I almost got my rubber bands off.
Oh my gosh, I got one off.
Jaylani. You wanna open yours?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I just
Oh my God,
so
girl, that is so pretty.
Oh my gosh,
my
look.
gosh, I love how this turned out.
It is.
I love it.
I love the yellow.
It's so nice.
Alright, I got 2 rubber bands off.
Now it's time to reveal.
Alright, I just need this
You need
one.
help?
No.
Yeah, do that. She'll probably cut her shirt.
Oh my.
Let her. Deja que
Okay,
ella
ready?
la abra. Una,
2,
2, 3.
This is so cute.
I'm making mine today.
This is so pretty.
I love it.
It's so pretty.
That turned out really cute.
I know, but this has a lot of right spots.
I'm really happy how these turned out. They are so cute, and I can't wait to make more. Guys, this is how the shirts look when we put them on. I really liked how these turned out.